Hello and welcome to this lesson on computer networks. By the end of today's session, you should be able to define what a network is and what we mean by a computer network. Also, you should be able to explain the importance of computer networks, how they help us share resources, communicate, collaborate, and save money. Now, let's move to the next lesson objectives. We should be able to identify and differentiate between key types of networks like LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN. So we're going to focus on the three. And also, we should be able to describe the features and examples of LANs and WANs. All right, so you should be able to recognize the uses of MANs and PANs. So finally, you should be able to summarize how networks improve communication and resource management at home, in schools, offices, and even across cities. Take note. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, try as much as possible to do so. A computer network is a system that links two or more computers or devices together. It allows users to exchange information, share resources, and work together efficiently. Examples include sending a document from one computer to another, playing multiplayer games over connected computers. A computer network involves computers and devices like printers, phones, and tablets, connected using cables or wireless technology. So take note. These devices communicate through communication channels like cables, radio waves, or fiber optics. Now, let me give you a few examples. A home network where multiple devices share the same Wi-Fi connection is an example. So don't forget to write this. An office setup where all computers are linked to one main printer is also another example. Now let's talk about the importance of computer networks. First, resource sharing. Resource sharing. Networks allow multiple users to share hardware like printers, storage devices, and even internet access. This helps cut down on cost. It reduces cost. And second, communication. We can now send emails, instant messages, and hold video calls, all because of networks. Third, collaboration. Team members in different places can work together on the same project in a real time. And finally, cost saving. Instead of giving every user a separate device or software, you can use network to share and save money. Now let's move on to the types of computer networks that you should know. There are four main types, that is LAN, local area network, WAN, wide area network, MAN, MAN, metropolitan area network. Take note, we are going to focus on the two. We have PAN, personal area network. So all these are for exams purposes. Now let's start with the local area network or LAN. A LAN is a network that connects computers within a limited area, such as a home, school, or office. Examples include a school computer lab, where all the computers are connected. So your school is an example. A home Wi-Fi network that links your phone, laptop, and smartphone. All right. Now some key features of LAN. Let's look at some key features of LAN. That is high speed since the devices are close together. That's one. Take note. Lower cost because fewer devices are needed. You don't have to employ or get more devices. You need few devices to access or operate LAN. Easier to manage and maintain. Next is the wide area network or WAN. One. This is a network that connects computers over a large geographical distance. Example, the internet. The biggest one in the world is the internet. So take note of that. All right, so a bank's network that links its branches across different cities is an example of one. Now, let's look at features of a WAN. So, one, it covers very large areas, as I mentioned earlier. It usually has slower speeds than a LAN because of the distance. So, take note, that's the difference. It also has more We can say it is more expensive using technologies like satellite and undersea cables. So it is very expensive as compared to LAN. Now let's not forget the other two types. That is MAN, the Metropolitan Area Network, PAN, the Personal Area Network. A MAN covers a city or large campus. It is bigger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN, used by universities, companies, or local governments. A PAN is a very small design for just one person. For example, connecting your smartphone to your smartwatch through Bluetooth or linking your laptop to a wireless mouse is an example of PAN. Now, to wrap up, networks allow computers and devices to communicate and share resources efficiently. LAN, LANs, are ideal for small areas. WAN, WANs, handle long distance communication. Other networks like MAN and PAN serve specific purposes, like connecting cities or personal gadgets. No matter the type, networks improve collaboration, communication, and resources. Also, school and offices benefit from this as well. Thank you for joining this lesson. Let's move forward and explore some real life applications and activities using networks. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe. The name still remains Okran.